Welcome to today's technical drawing class. Today we'll be drawing an isometric drawing as shown on the screen. When doing isometric drawing, we'll start with our horizontal baseline, which can be of any length, and then we'll pick a midpoint on the line at any point. After that, we'll take our set square, our 30-60 degree set square. Here is 30 and here is 60. We'll put it on our horizontal line, and we're going to draw two lines which should be 30 degrees to the original line as shown. As we can see in our drawing, on this side we have 46 and 32, and I'm going to mark accordingly. 46, 30. On the other side we have 18, 18, 18. Now using our set square again, we're going to draw 90 degrees line, straight vertical line. Using here is 90 degrees. We place it here and then we draw up. We are going to take the distance from here to here as 15 millimeters. So from here to here, we're going to mark 15 millimeters, and on the other side, 15 millimeters. And join them together as shown in our diagram. From here to here in the diagram was given as 50 millimeters. And now, using our set square, we're going to draw lines at 30 degrees. And here also. From here to here is 46, and so also for every other place here. Using our 30-60 degree set square also for it. Now with our set square, we'll draw a horizontal line downwards to join here, and another 30-degree line inwards, and we're finished this side, yes. And now use your eraser to erase all these little extensions, these little lines. From here to here is the same as from here to here, which is 18, 18, 18, which when you add together is 54. Use a ruler to mark 54. From here to here, we'll take it as 15. And do the same for the other side. and join them together. Next we do Next we connect here down to here with a horizontal line, vertical line. And here below to finish up. And finally we finish up the work. We have to make the work bold. So we use an app pencil to taking out the lines. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Thank you.